Open your phone while sitting on the couch, and the artificial intelligence greeting you often feels light, conversational, almost like a friend texting you back. Open a specialized productivity workspace or an enterprise tool for your job, and that same underlying technology instantly shifts into a crisp, clinical, no-nonsense digital coworker. Why does a piece of software completely change its personality just because of where you happen to be opening it? Welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into why AI feels like a friend on your phone and a boss at work. We are going to look closely at the hidden design psychology behind digital personas, how context completely alters our perception of intelligence, and what this duality reveals about the future of how humans and machines coexist. By the end of this script, you will understand the mechanics behind the vibe shift in your everyday digital interactions. Let us start by acknowledging a fundamental human trait, our hardwired tendency to project consciousness and personality onto inanimate objects. Long before computers existed, humans named their boats, talked to their cars, and treated tribal totems as living entities. When an algorithm responds to us in natural fluid language, our brains immediately skip past the mathematics and treat it like a social partner. Here is case study number 1. Researchers at a major human-computer interaction lab tracked how users interacted with the exact same language model when it was presented inside a casual messaging app versus a corporate data entry software. In the messaging app, users used conversational fillers, polite greetings, and expressed gratitude. In the corporate software, those exact same users typed short, commanding fragments, treated the system like a database search engine, and complained when the output contained conversational warmth. The software did not change its core code. The human brain changed its behavioral framework entirely based on the visual environment. This brings us to our first core question. How much of the AI's personality is actually coming from the machine, and how much is just a mirror reflecting our own psychological state? Here is a practical tip. Recognize your own framing before you prompt. If you approach a tool looking for a brainstorming partner, your brain will naturally interpret its output through a creative lens. If you approach it looking for strict efficiency, you will filter out everything except the cold data. Understanding this helps you consciously select the right tool for the right state of mind instead of letting the interface dictate your mood. So how do system designers actually build these distinct environments? It comes down to 3 operational levers: interface context, functional expectations, and guardrail tuning. Phase 1, interface context. Visual design sets the stage. A clean, minimalist, dark mode chat bubble implies leisure, chat rooms, and relaxed pacing. A dense dashboard filled with metrics, export buttons, and strict formatting triggers a workspace mentality before a single word is even typed. Phase 2, functional expectations. When you are on your phone, your goals are usually fragmented. Quick questions, summarizing an article, or casual brainstorming. The system responds with brief, adaptable conversational cadence. At work, your goals are high stakes: writing code, analyzing financial models, or organizing large data sets. The system strips away the fluff because a misplaced joke in a corporate workflow is an annoyance, not a charm. Phase 3, guardrail tuning. Enterprise systems are often wrapped in layers of professional constraints that prevent conversational wandering. Personal assistants are given more room to breathe, allowing them to match your casual weekend cadence. Let us look at a second case study. A remote team started using an advanced AI assistant integrated directly into their daily project management software. Initially, they found the tool cold and frustrating because it gave direct, blunt answers to their open-ended questions. Once they realized the system was calibrated for rapid operational execution rather than casual exploration, they changed how they wrote their prompts. By matching the system's intended professional register, their team's daily output efficiency increased by 40% within a month. This leads us to another frequent question. Are we heading toward a future where our digital tools actually have distinct, consistent personalities, or will they always shape-shift based on where we use them? The reality is that adaptability is the ultimate feature. A tool that cannot change its register to match the user's current context fails at being a universal assistant. Whether it wears its comfortable weekend clothes on your phone or its sharp business suit at your office desk, the true power of modern AI lies in its ability to mirror your current operational gravity. Let us tie this all together. The way we experience technology is a fascinating reflection of human psychology meeting machine logic. Next time you notice your digital assistant feeling a little too cozy on your phone or a little too corporate at your desk, remember that you are looking at a mirror of your own environment. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below sharing whether you prefer your AI casual or formal, and keep building the mindset to master modern technology. See you in the next video.